16-hour flight. I might not want to get off.
I'm gonna take my Polaroid.
We made it to Thailand!
Damn right we did.
Finally! I cannot even begin to explain to you how much I've missed Southeast Asian coffee. Best coffee in the world. So our first stop of the trip was to come to this floating market we saw online. It looks cool. Well, it is cool, right?
It is really cool, but it's a complete tourist scam. We spent more on this damn boat ride than we did for the entire week of hotels.
It's so funny, it's such a tourist trap. But it's cool. You're just like ride on this little boat and you can stop wherever. Eat food, go shopping.
Honestly, amazing business model. Good on them.
Wait guys, it's getting better. I don't think we were really in it before.
I wasted 2 film photos on nothing.
We made it back to Bangkok. We didn't realize when we were signing up for the whole floating market ordeal that it was like 2 hours outside of the city. Only because of traffic. The traffic's literally insane here. Like, okay, well, there's no cars as soon as I said that. Our street's chill. There's not much going on. But everywhere else is like stopped traffic. But finally gonna walk around for a little bit, which I'm excited about because we haven't explored Bangkok that much. Obviously, I mean, we got in last night, and so we're gonna walk around. There's a park nearby, and also there's like so many massage and nail spas. Like, I swear every other business is a massage, a masseuse. So we might have to stop in and check one out. Massage. 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 Another massage. two more doors down. Another massage. Another massage. What the heck? We're on a mission though. We're gonna find a pedicure place because our feet need it. You guys. Ski season did a number on the feet, so we deserve this. Cooper just told me his feet have never felt like this before. Okay, we're going down a nightlife street area. It's called Soy Cowboy. Yeah. Bad guys, it actually wasn't fun bars. Everybody was in lingerie. So, oopsies. I'm like, Cooper, let's go here.
Grace got a job application.
No, I did not. This one thing is like grabbed Cooper's arm trying to drag her inside. So we left. We had to come to Cooper's favorite restaurant. Did you guess that it would be this? Cheers. Good morning. Cooper and I are gonna start the day off strong today, and we're gonna go on a run through that little park with the lake that we walked through yesterday because it was gorgeous. And I don't want to lose my routine and like the amount that I exercise even though we're on vacation, but because we're gonna be on vacation for so long, it's like important to keep it up. Also, it's so hot here, so we have to go in the morning, otherwise it would just like be way too hot to go and I wouldn't do it. We have another full day of exploring today. We're gonna go walk around as much as we can, just see the city by foot and hopefully see some more markets, try some good food, see where the day takes us. Again at the same place we went to yesterday. It was so good. And one thing about Cooper is he's a loyal man, and he absolutely lives by the rule, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So we found this good breakfast place yesterday, so of course we had to go back again today. It's like a comfort place at this point because the city is so chaotic, but that place was so delicious and peaceful and comforting. So now I think we're gonna go to a market, a palace, and hopefully a rooftop for dinner. So how fun are these? They're giving me white lettuce vibes, and they match my striped tank. Put on some little like linen pants. It's so hot here, but hopefully this will be like breathable enough. Kind of slay. Yay! Wait guys, I forgot that I got jewelry in that thrift bundle I got for this trip. So I'm putting it all on. Oh, that's fun. I also got this little bracelet. Putting some earrings in, and I honestly would not be opposed to finding more jewelry today at the market because I've heard the silver here is incredible. So I'd love to get some silver rings or necklaces or something. Maybe a little gift for my mom too. I think we're ready. Fire. Cooper, this is good.
Really?
No, try it.
Bussin'. Spicy. Want to see my new Gucci wallet?
Yeah, I want to see your new Gucci wallet. Ooh!
$11.
$11? Ooh. Yay. Yum. The next stop on our Bangkok tour is the Grand Palace, and we get to take a boat. How fun. Cooper and I had to buy some clothes, so this is officially my palace shawl for the trip. Got her at the market earlier because I knew that if I wanted to go into any of the temples, I was gonna need it. Which was great timing because I needed it for this palace. And Cooper bought these pants. These are now his palace pants. How do you like your palace pants?
Don't stretch.
Can't eat too much in those.
Well, no, it's like... no mobility.
Cooper and I are redeeming ourselves because yesterday we really felt like we got caught in the tourist trap, and today we're having a great day. We're currently booking reservations for a rooftop Thai food restaurant bar, and it's gonna be sunset when we're eating. Magical. And like today, we went to markets and everything was cheap. Our food was like 10 baht. That's like 30 cents.
I got a Gucci wallet.
I'm proud of us. We're really redeeming our time in Bangkok.
Sick. Wow. My goodness. Cheers to the governor.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my Bangkok vlog. Come on, we're going back to the hotel. It's our last night in Bangkok, but don't you worry because we're in Thailand for another month. And the vlogs are only gonna get better from here because we brought a drone and we're going to the beach and we're gonna use that drone on the beach and it's gonna be immaculate vibes. So if you want more Thailand content, make sure you subscribe. And if you made it this far in the video, comment the emoji that reminds you of Thailand, so I know who the real ones are. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week. Bye.
Keep the business running. Go buy something. Outpost.co. outpsd.co. They sell hats.
Go buy
I sell
something
hats.
so that we can keep traveling.
And sweatpants. And soon to be vests. And maybe headbands. Dude. Run over a kid.